Well, this is it's gone. So they still need to bust this up somehow. Um, Cast iron, and that's where the furnace was. I'm a little amazed they got this out so quickly. Wow. So they couldn't get the fuel pumped out this morning because they were doing the asbestos removal, so that's still got to happen. Then they'll take that out, and then, geez. All right then. And I'm assuming they're going to take that out or clip it or something after the fuel is pumped out. It could be a trip hazard otherwise. So, this is it. Day 2 in the afternoon of the furnace upgrade. Yay.